guys, it's Shannon.
And Paul.
And look at all these awesome blind bag toys we have.
A bunch of awesome blind bag toys.
We do. This little stand is full today, so Paul, why don't you get us started?
Okay, I think I'm going to start on your side with the Trolls.
Nice.
Series 5. I think these were the true colors, so today I would like to get Poppy.
Go Poppy.
Let's see if we get her.
Poppy power.
We did not get Poppy. Oh!
Whoa, what happened to Branch's hair?
We got Branch.
Look at his hair.
Yep, look at his hair. It's all over the place. You need to get your hair under control, Branch.
He needs to go to the troll beauty salon.
He does. Whew. It's like all staticky. That's funny.
That's the funniest I've ever seen one.
There's cute little Branch, and he's actually happy today.
Yep,
So,
happy Branch.
Branch.
Maybe that's why his hair's so crazy.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm going to open up this right here. It's a Minecraft Biome Settlers Series 8 figure. You can get one of 12 different characters inside.
Nice.
Today, I would like to get the Tundra Hunter Minecart.
I want the Nether Miner.
The Nether Miner. Let's see who we get. It's not mine. I love this one, though.
Yep, Forest Wood Beast.
So awesome.
Yeah, he's cool.
So cool.
He's really cool.
Hello.
Hello.
He's going to stand with Branch.
Okay.
They'd be friends.
They would be friends. All right. Let's see if we can find him another friend. This is a Tsum Tsum Mystery Pack Color Pop. Limited edition figures only available at Walmart. Here they are. We are looking for this guy right here. The exclusive Golden Stitch. If we don't get him, I would like to get Scrump or Chip. Oh, Snow White.
Snow Blue.
We have gotten a lot of Snow Whites lately.
That's Snow Blue.
Snow Blue.
Snow Blue.
Snow Blue. Cool.
All right. Beauty and the Beast, Funko, Mystery Mini. Check them all out. Today, I would like to get LeFou.
I would like Mrs. Potts or Chip.
That's a different chip. You wanted that chip and you wanted the other chip. Who is this? Oh, I think you're getting your wish.
Ooh.
It's Mrs. Potts.
Oh, nice.
There she is.
That is such a pretty figure.
It is a pretty figure. It's all pearly and beautiful. Mrs. Potts.
Mrs. Potts. Okay. Minions time. These are them Despicable Me 3 minis. We are hoping to get a limited edition or a minion that we need. And we need a bunch. We need commons, we need rares, we need ultra rares.
We need ultra lost.
Oh, we do.
The Unigoat.
Oh, this is Bored Silly Bob.
So cute.
He is really cute. He's one of the Minions through time. From the Minions movie.
I bet I know what his little traveling carry case sack is filled with.
What?
Blind bags.
Probably.
He probably has toys.
Good job, Bob.
Okay, Sofia the First, Series 4. Check it out. We can get lots of cool figures. Today I want to get Amber hiding over here on the side.
I would like Clover or one of the girls in a big poofy dress.
Okay. It's a girl in a poofy dress.
It is. Oh, Seashell Sofia.
Seashell Sofia.
Cool. That's a pretty dress.
That is a pretty dress. And it matches Branch. So
it does.
She's going, oh, wait. The blue section.
The blue section. All right. Let's open up the Grossery Gang since it comes in a blue trash can. So this is Series 3, the Grossery Gang versus the Clean Team. Putrid Power. I'm hoping to get somebody we haven't gotten before.
Me too.
Let's see who we get. All right, I'll give Shannon the checklist in case we need that. This is a squishy figure, so it's not a clean team. Oh, it's the slobfish.
Yeah, but I don't think we got the green one ever.
I don't think we have either.
I think we've only had the orange.
Slobfish. It looks like a potato.
It kind of does, with a big nose.
A potato fish. This figure is squishy also. We have, is this the...
The Yucky Ducky or the Mucky Ducky?
The Mucky Duck.
Mucky Duck.
Mucky Duck. Cute, the Mucky Duck. Awesome.
That was awesome. Okay, how about Hello Kitty?
Okay.
This is Series 1 of the costume collection. These have been out for a while. I hope they make a Series 2 soon.
I hope they do too.
I really liked these. Today I want the mermaid.
I want the superhero just because it would go in the blue section.
Okay. It's the pirate.
The pirate. I love the pirate with the little coin.
Yep. The little golden Hello Kitty bow coin.
Yep.
Cute little pirate with a tail.
Cool. All right, My Little Pony time. This is the Sweet Apple Acres collection. I'm hoping to get a blue pony.
A blue pony.
A blue pony. Let's see who can be blue. Trixie Lulamoon, Minuet, Sassaflash is sort of
Rainbow
blue.
Dash.
Yeah, Rainbow Dash. All right, one of those. It's not one of those. It is Apple Cobbler. She's so
Yummy.
friendly. And you know who likes Apple Cobbler? Pirates.
Good pick.
One of their favorites. Favorite things to eat.
Okay, I'm going to open the Disney Crossy Road figure from Series 1. There are a couple of these that we are still searching for our collection.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, they're all the really rare ones.
Yep.
So I'd like to get one of those. If not one of those, I'd like somebody from Toy Story.
Okay, good luck.
Hey, it's a Toy Story.
Toy Story.
We already have Rex.
We do.
But Rex is awesome and adorable, and he is a great one to get multiples of.
He's rare.
You could have a whole Rex army.
You could. Ooh.
Roar!
Little green Rexes.
Yep.
Awesome. Okay. Hatchimals CollEggtibles time. This is season 1. Did you know that season 2 is out? I hope you've seen that video where we searched for parakeets. Let's see who we get today. I'm hoping for somebody blue.
It's a Savannah.
It's a Savannah. I think we can get a blue giraffe.
I hope we get the blue giraffe.
I hope so too. All right, so you rub this little heart till it goes from purple to pink. There we go. Now you press in your egg and you squish it till it breaks. We do not have somebody blue. We have somebody green. We have, Ella Fly.
He's got a blue
The
tummy.
little elephant. Yeah, blue tummy. He's green, but that's okay because now we can make a green section.
Ooh, nice. Okay, last toy we have is an LOL surprise from Series 1. I hope we get a doll with blue or green.
Okay, good luck.
Let's see who we have. There's our sticker. It's a couch potato.
We're sofa rocks.
You know, the best place to eat potatoes is on the couch. The sticker said so. Okay, the best place to eat potatoes is at the dining room table, just so you know.
Yeah.
Alright, stickers. They let us know whether our doll cries, spits, tinkles, or color changes.
Come on, color changer.
Paul wants a color changer. I want a tinkler.
All right, good luck.
We have the black, brown, and white bottle. That actually matches Hello Kitty.
That does.
Alright, next layer.
This is going to be the shoes.
Yep. I was looking for little tear strips, but that's on Series 2. Okay, we have cute little black, like hiking boots.
Yep.
Next layer. Whoa.
Whoa.
Did you see that? The trapdoor shot right off. That was funny. Wow, that bag does not want to open. Hey, it's
Check that out.
It's Rocker.
Rocker. Yep. Our favorite band, ABCD.
That's right. Some of you have left comments asking, did it really say ABCD? And
did.
was it supposed to?
Yes.
Yes, it was. Okay.
But there's a real band out there that has the same symbol and close to the same letters.
Yep. She has a little pacifier.
Yep. Pinky Power.
And let's make sure we got the right doll. We did!
We did.
It's Rocker.
Rocker.
Okay, let's see if she color changes.
Okay, we have gotten some that have.
Let's see.
Doesn't look like
She does not, so maybe she'll be a tinkler.
All right, Tinkler. I don't think that she tinkles. Let's see.
She doesn't fill with water very good.
No, she does not. So I'm thinking she's probably gonna be a crier.
Okay.
That's gonna be my guess. Okay, so I'm at the concert and I've drank a lot of water and my tummy hurts and I'm sad because the band that I came to see is not gonna play. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, she is a crier.
Oh!
The only thing that would cheer me up is if Rex jumped in the pool of water with me.
She's crying on him.
Well, she's trying to hit her with her little laser beam eyes.
There's Rocker all dressed up looking super adorable.
Yep.
And here are the rest of the toys we opened today, including those in the green section and those in the blue section. Okay, I actually think we need to move him down here to the green section. Even though he's friends with Branch, he's more green than blue. So
yeah.
He needs to be in the green section.
Okay.
Okay, it's time to pick favorites, Paul.
Time to pick favorites. I'm going to go with Rex, the swimming dinosaur.
Rex, the soaking wet swimming dinosaur.
Yep, that's it.
Okay, I'm going right here with the little tree dude.
Okay. The forest wood beast.
What about you guys? Which one of these toys do you think was the best? Leave a comment down below letting us know. We love to read what you guys have to say. While you're down there leaving a comment, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. We're trying to reach 1 million subbies and we'd like you to be one of them. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
See you later.